Hello and greetings from Havana, Cuba. Our center is a small center and we have not many resources to carry out our work. However, we have been focusing on the pedagogical field, educating young theater professionals and students. In these last 2 years, we have organized some theater workshops with important professors from different countries in the world, such as United States, Spain, and Latin America. For our center, it is essential to create bridges of information dealing with different theater techniques. To mention some examples, we have invited in various occasions professors from Emerson College in Boston and Misha Center, specializing in Michael Chekhov's technique. We have also organized workshops with important playwrights from Spain and France, big names like Juan Mayorga, Jose Maria Miró, and Sergio Blanco. Our center has also produced some of their works in Cuba, so young people can get acquainted with their writing. One of our major events was the celebration in Havana of the International Dance Day in Alicia Alonso's theater. In this occasion, we received very well-known personalities of dance from all over the world. Our next project includes another production and a workshop of a Spanish playwright. This will happen as soon as January. After a year of pandemic and lockdown, returning to reality is a challenge. Thank you, ITI, thank you, everybody, and we hope we can meet again sometime next year. Thank you.